small. Can't believe it looks so small.
So annoying.
So this is the view from the residence. It's amazing. That's the moon over there. So small.
It's so big from where we are though.
Yeah, I know. Looks so quiet. Oh look, that's my favorite star. Okay. Zoom. Amazing. Ta-da! Jenny!